Today I'm going to be making a very nice seafood soup. This is all improvised. There's no recipe to follow here. I'm just giving you an idea with what I'm doing today. Let's see how this nice seafood soup comes out. For this soup, I have a bag of a medley of seafood that I got at Costco. This bag contains some seafood that is farm raised and some other that is wild caught. I also have 2 small lobster tails, and these ones are wild caught. I will also be using salmon, and this is wild caught. Finally, I have snow crab legs, and these are wild caught. So there you have it, our homemade seafood soup, completely made from scratch and improvised. I hope that you guys can really follow this idea of this soup, which actually came out absolutely amazing. I really recommend you to follow this idea, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so right now and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications every time we upload a video. Also, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family in social media. That way you help us continue in YouTube, and I'll be seeing you like always on the next one.